This time I have two
Two.
technicians.
Okay.
They were technicians from the maintenance area for
Okay.
the
Yeah.
machining and all that. And so they were like focused on maintenance, on TPM and all that. When they came and start with me, they have that kind of thinking, right, on repair. So it was very difficult to start with working with them. But this is like the fifth year now. Yeah, fourth, fifth year working with them, and now they don't let me use the machines. I don't have time to use the machines because they are working. They are thinking. They are. I mean, I go with them and give them the problem, the idea, and they just they already have the idea or the solution. It's incredible. The creativity just blow up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing.